Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve 8 ball pull without blue sticks problem. To know how to fix or how to solve 8 ball pull without blue sticks problem, you should just go to settings. Then we click apps, default apps, app settings. After that, in this page you'll enter to 8 ball pull. When you'll find this window of app info, you will enter to first stop and we click OK. Then we click on storage. Here in this page you will click clear cache, and in the end you can turn off your Wi-Fi. So please don't forget to support us by a like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.